We have to assemble timber loader. Let's drag the part to its place like this to assemble the car. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. Let's shift into gear to start moving. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Pull the lever up for the vehicle to move. Choose the next game. Tap on the car wash to wash the vehicle. Tap on the garage to fix the vehicle. Let's fix the rusting. Move the tool to clean the stain. Try it on your own. Let's paint it over. Try it on your own. Drag the paint gun over the stain to paint it over. We have to assemble hydraulic hammer. Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Let's tap on the Amazing! Let's crack the biggest rocks. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The bridge is raised so that ships can pass under it. Choose the next game. We need to wash. Hydraulic hammer. Let's start foaming the machine. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Build your own vehicle park. We have to assemble bulldozer. Now we need to fill it. Bulldozer. Don't stop. We need to prepare everything for the digging machine. Tap the screen to keep building. remove the rusting. First, we need to assemble. Excavator. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game.